How to meet Taylor Swift attending a Taylor Swift event. You are a huge fan of Taylor Swift and all you want in the whole wide world is to meet her and get her signature and picture. Well, if this is you, you are in luck because there are ways that you can increase your chances of meeting Taylor Swift. By following her on social media, you can find out about her whereabouts. Additionally, attending her events is a surefire way to increase your chances of meeting her. If you do get the chance to meet her, be polite and friendly when asking for her autograph or photograph. Number 1. Buy a VIP ticket to her concert. Music celebrities, like Taylor Swift, often host a meet and greet before or after their concert. This is a time where fans can meet and take pictures with the celebrity. Although VIP tickets tend to be pretty expensive, they may be worth it if it means being able to meet Taylor Swift. You can find tour dates and VIP tickets on her official website or at VIP Nation. You could also buy a VIP ticket to an event that Taylor will be attending, like a charity event, to get a chance to meet her. Number 2. Stand out at her concerts to get invited to a tea party. Taylor has been known to handpick devoted fans from the audience to hang out with her backstage after her concert. These are referred to as tea parties. To stand out at her concerts, create posters, design t-shirts, and coordinate colorful outfits with your friends. You could also paint your face and bring glow sticks to the concert to increase your chances of getting noticed. For example, write on the posters, "I'm your biggest fan," or "We love you Taylor Swift." Screen print a picture of Taylor Swift or a slogan like "I love you Taylor" on a bunch of t-shirts to get noticed. Number 3. Wait for Taylor outside the stage door at talk shows. If you know that Taylor will be a guest on a talk show, like The Tonight Show or Ellen, The Ellen DeGeneres Show, wait outside the stage door with your friends. Visit the talk show's website to find out when the taping will begin. Try to arrive at least an hour early. Bring signs with you to get noticed, since there will probably be many more fans waiting to meet her as well. You could also buy a ticket to the show or a taping of the show as an audience member. Sometimes audience members are picked to go on stage, which may increase your chances of meeting Taylor. Number 4. Go to an album or book signing. In order to promote themselves, a celebrity will host a signing of their album or book. Buy a ticket to one of Taylor Swift's album or book signing to get a chance to meet her. Contact the bookstore or venue ahead of time to confirm the event's date and time. Also ask the venue about their autograph and photograph policies. Keep in mind that you may need to stand in line for a couple hours to get her autograph. Plan ahead of time so you can set aside a day or a certain amount of time to attend these events. You can find out about these events by following her on social media or by adding your email to her mailing list. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.